morning, students. So today I am going to deal with probability part in probability type number 2, that is independent events and dependent events. No, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 mark one question ಬರುತ್ತೆ. In your question paper part A, question number 10, that is that question belongs to either independent events or conditional probability. 1 mark, very simple question. Okay, now define independent events. Independent events ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Look here, consider two events, say E and F be two events. Okay, now here two events, definition of independent events, two events E and F are said to be, remember, two events E and F are said to be an independent event. ಯಾವಾಗುತ್ತೆ independent event? Remember the condition. If the condition, remember, probability of E intersection F, remember, probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E into probability of F. If this condition is satisfied, now satisfied ಆಗಬೇಕು, probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E into probability of F. If this condition is satisfied, then it is said to be independent events. Remember definition, two events, say E and F, are said to be independent events if the condition probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E into probability of F. Whereas two events E and F are said to be dependent event, are said to be dependent. Dependent is not independent. Remember, two events E and F are said to be dependent, that is not independent, if the condition probability of E intersection F is not equal to probability of E into probability of F, then it is known as dependent event. Remember the difference between dependent and independent. Any two events E and F are said to be independent events if the condition probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E into probability of F, whereas two events E and F are said to be dependent events if the condition probability of E intersection F is not equal to probability of E into probability of F. Okay, now for example, based on this to solve some problems. Now if you take one simple example, if a die is rolled, one die now roll ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, if a die is rolled, let E be the event, number multiple of 3. E stands for, E is the event, number is multiple of 3. F be the event, even number on the dice. Okay, only write the definition, don't this one. So now take one simple example of independent events. If a die is rolled, one die roll ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, now consider two events, say E and F. Let E be the event, number is multiple of 3, and F be the event, even number on the dice. Now the question, verify whether E and F are dependent or independent. Whether E and F are independent or dependent, check it. Now you know the definition of independent events. Here is the definition of probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E into probability of F. If this condition is satisfied, it is said to be independent event. If this condition is not satisfied, it is said to be dependent event, or it is not independent. ಈ example ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, if a die is rolled, What are the outcomes? S is the sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. E be the event. Number is multiple of 3. Notice among those outcomes, take the number such that which is multiple of 3. Multiple of 3, 3 tables. Now 3, 6. Only two numbers. Okay. Then F be the event. Even number on the dice. What are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6. Okay. Now what is probability of E? Favorable case is 2. N of E divided by N of S. Favorable case is 2. N of S is 6. That is 1 by. Then here what is probability of F? Number of favorable case and their outcome. Number of favorable case is 3. Outcome is 6. That is 1 by. Right? Now to find E intersection F. What is E intersection F? E intersection F is that is a common number. Among those two, what is common number? Only one number, 6. Only one number, common. Therefore, what is probability of E intersection F? Number of favorable case in E intersection F divided by total outcome. So, number of favorable case in E intersection F is only one favorable case. Total outcome is 6. Now, this is LHS. Now, LHS, probability of E intersection F is equal to how much? 1 by 6. Then take RHS, probability of E into probability of F. What is probability of E? 1 by 2. What is probability of F? 1 by 2. How much? 1 by 6. Both are equal. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E into probability of F. Therefore, E and F are independent events. Okay? Now we take questions carefully. One more question. Okay, so remember definition of independent event. Two events E and F are said to be independent if probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E into probability of F. If those two are not equal, it is said to be dependent or not independent. In the definition note 1.2. Okay. Yes. First problem. A die is thrown. If E is the event, the number appearing is a multiple of 3, and F be the event, the number appearing is even, then find whether E and F are independent or dependent. Look, if a die is rolled, then sample space S is equal to 1 die rolled. How many outcomes? 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of outcomes is 6. Okay. Now here E stands for number is multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 are 3, 6. Therefore, number of favorable cases here 2. Therefore, probability of E is equal to number of favorable case and their outcome. Number of favorable cases 2, outcome is 6, that is 1 by 1. Then F be the event. That is, F be the event, number appearing is even number, 2, 4, 6. Therefore, N of F is equal to 3. Probability of F is equal to number of favorable case and their outcome. Favorable case is 3, outcome 6, that is 1 by 1. Okay. Now to find E intersection F. Among those two, common number is only one number, that is 6. Therefore, number of favorable case in E intersection F is 1. Therefore, what is probability of E intersection F? Number of favorable case in E intersection F and their outcome, that is 1 divided by 6. Okay. And P of E into P of F. P of E into P of F is equal to, what is P of E? 1 by P. P of F 1 by 2. That equals 1 by 6. Are they equal? Yes. Therefore, probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E into probability of F. Hence, E and F are what? Independent event. Here, E and F are independent event. Okay. Yes. Problem number 2. Students, now read the question. An unbiased die is thrown twice. Unbiased means cleared die, cleaned die is thrown twice. 2 dice are rolled. Unbiased means cleared dice. Die cleared, master word, cleared. Okay. Die is thrown twice means 2 dice are rolled. Let A be the event, odd number on the first throw. B is the event, odd number on the second throw. Then check the independence of the events A and B. Verify whether A and B are dependent or independent. Now here given 2 dice are rolled. 2 dice are rolled or thrown. So how many outcomes? 36 outcomes. That is sample space S is equal to 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Correct? Next 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Then 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Next 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. Then 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Then finally 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Totally 36 outcomes. Okay. Now total number of outcomes is 6 into 6, 36. Among those outcomes, A stands for odd number on the first row. First die is the odd number. ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? First die. 1 is it? 1 is it 1 or odd? Odd. So first number 1 1. Next 1 2. The second number die is 1. Leave it. Odd number on the first row. 1 2. Next 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Right? What about second line? 2 1. 2 is even number. First die. In the odd number on the first row. First die should be odd number. Is it odd? No. Second line not there. Then third line, yes. 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Next, third line, fourth line, 4 1, 4 is even number 8. Then fifth line, yes, 5 is odd number. 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. What about last line? Last line is even number. So total number of favorable case outcome is here 6 6 6. How much? 18. What is probability of A? Number of favorable case divided by total outcome. Number of favorable cases 18. Outcome is 36. That equals 18 ones are 18 twos are 1 by 2. Right? Similarly, B stands for is the odd number on the second row. Second die. Now there will be odd number. Second die odd entry. Is odd in the Is odd in the This one, yes. Select one for second die should be odd. That is 1 1. That 1 2 is odd number. No, 2 is not odd. 1 3, yes. 3 is odd number. 1 4, no. 1 5, odd number. Then 1 6, no. Second die should be odd. Second die 1 is right. So 2 1. Correct? 2 2, no. 2 3. 3 is odd number. So that 2 3. Second die should be odd number. 2 4. 4 is even number. Leave it. Next 2 5. 5 is odd number. 2 6 even number. Leave it. What about 3 1? Yes. 3 1. Then 3 2, no, because 2 is even number. 3 3, yes. 3 is odd number. 3 4, no. 4 is even number. 3 5, yes. 3 6 no. Next 4 1 yes, because second number should be odd number. Second number is it odd? No. Is it odd? Yes, that is 4. 4 4 ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ because 4 is even number. 4 5 yes. Then 4 6 no. What about 5 1 yes. 5 2 no. 5 3 3 is odd number. 5 4 no, even number. 5 5 5 is odd number. 5 6 no. 6 1 yes. 6 2 no, because 2 is even number. 6 3 yes, because 3 is odd number. 6 4 no, 4 is even number. 6 5 yes, because 5 is odd number. 6 6 no. So how many outcomes? 2 4 6 6 6. Again 18 outcomes. Correct? Therefore probability of B is equal to number of favorable case by total outcome. Favorable case is 18 divided by 36. That equals 1 by 2. Right? Next, now to find intersection A intersection B among those two, what are common numbers? Common ಯಾವಾಗ common ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ 1 1. Next 1 3 is there? No. 1 3 yes. Then 1 4 no. 1 5 yes. Then 2 1 no. 2 2 no. 2 5 no. 3 1 yes. 3 1 common ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. 3 2 ಇಲ್ಲ. 3 3 ಇದೆನಾ common? Oh. Then 3 4 ಇಲ್ಲ. 3 5 common ಇದೆನಾ? Yes. Both the dice should be odd numbers. Next 3 5. 3 6 no. 5 1 yes. Next 5 3 yes, it is common. Then 5 4 no. 5 5 yes. What is the common? Idala. Count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So therefore total number of favorable cases in A intersection B is 9. Therefore probability of A intersection B is equal to number of favorable cases in A intersection B by total outcome. Number of favorable cases in A intersection B is 9. Total outcome is 36. That equals 1 by 4. 9 1 9 4. And P of A into P of B. What is P of A? P of A is how much? Probability of A is how much? 1 by 2. What is probability of B? That is also 1 by 2. That equals 1 by 4. Both are equal. Therefore, probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. Hence, A and B are what? Independent event. A and B are independent event. Clear? Okay. Yes. Problem number 3. Anyway, 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Consider the events. 3 events. Namely, E is the event. 3 heads or 3 tails. F be the event. At least 2 heads. G be the event. At most 2 heads. 3 events are given. Among those events, now verify of the pairs EF one pair, EG another pair, FG another pair. Of the pairs EF, EG, FG, which are independent and which are dependent. Means verify whether E and F are dependent or independent. Whether E and G are dependent or independent. Whether F and G are dependent or independent. You know the definition of independent events. P of E intersection F is equal to P of E into P of F. It is said to be independent. Whereas P of E intersection F is not equal to P of E into P of F. That is known as dependent events. Okay. Now here, given 3 coins are tossed or 1 coin tossed 3 times. So 3 coins are tossed. What are the outcomes? How many outcomes arises? That is totally 8 outcomes. Yes is the sample space. All 3 coins are head. All 3 coins are tail. 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, or both head, 1 tail, or 1 head, both are tail. Okay. Or tail, head, tail. Okay. Or tail, tail, head. Okay. tail, head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many outcomes? 8 outcomes. Number of favorable case total outcome is 8. Among those 8 outcomes, take one by one event. Let E is the event. E stands for 3 heads or 3 tails. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3 ಹೆಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ 3 ಟೇಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಇದೆರಡೇ ತಾನೆ. What is probability of E ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ number of favorable cases ಇದೆ 2. Shall I write directly 2 favorable case divided by total outcome. Total outcome is 8. That is 1 divided by 4. Okay. Then F be the event. F ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ at least 2 heads. The word at least 2 heads means either 2 heads or more than 2 heads. ಎರಡು ಹೆಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ H. More than 2 heads. This is not. That one. Third one is there. Yes. 2 heads ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 heads ಇದೆ HHT. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 head ಇದೆನಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆನಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆನಾ ಇಲ್ಲ last one TH 2 heads. Correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, probability of F is equal to number of favorable case 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 favorable case divided by total outcome is 8. 4 by 8 that is 1 by 2. Next, G stands for at most 2 heads. The word at most, at least, confuse not over it. At most 2 heads means either 2 heads or less than 2 heads. It will be 1 head or no head. Less than 2 heads. Now go to HTH. Correct? HHT. Then HTT. Then THT. Then TTH. THH. Then TTT. Because at most 2 heads means either 2 heads or less than 2 heads. Less than 2 heads means it will be 1 head or no head. That is right. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total number of favorable cases 7. Therefore, probability of G is equal to number of favorable cases 7 divided by total outcome is 8. Okay. Now to find one by one result. Now E intersection of E set consisting of 2 elements. F set consisting of 4 elements. Among those two, what are common numbers? H, common element H, only one. Therefore, probability of E intersection F is equal to favorable case is only one. One is divided by total outcome is 8. And P of E into P of F. You know P of E. Probability of E is 1 by 4. Probability of F is 1 by 2. That equals 1 by 8. Here also 1 by 8. Therefore, P of E intersection F is equal to P of E into P of F. Hence, E and F are independent. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು E and F are independent event. Correct? Next, verify whether E and G are independent or not. Now again to find E intersection G. E set contains 2 elements. G set contains 7 elements. Among those two, what are common? I think only one common T, right? Correct? Therefore, probability of E intersection G is equal to number of favorable cases only one. Outcome is 8, right? And P of E into P of G nodi enagutte. What is P of E? P of E value is 1 by 4. P of G is 7 by 8. That is 7 ones are 7, 8 fours are 32. Are they equal? Not equal. Therefore, P of E intersection G is not equal to P of E into P of G. Equal agilla. P of E intersection G 1 by 8 ಇದೆ. P of E into P of G value 7 by 32. Not equal. This means E and G are what? Dependent. Equal ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ independent. Equal ಆಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ dependent. And also one more, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದು verify whether f and g are dependent or independent. Now to find f intersection g, ನೋಡಿ f ಮತ್ತು g ನೋಡಿ among those two common ಯಾವುದು ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, h h h ಇಲ್ಲ, h t h ಇದೆನಾ, yes h t h common, h t h h t h h h t is there, h h ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, h h t h h ಇದೆನಾ, yes t h h only 3 ತಾನೆ, ಮೂರೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. Therefore probability of f intersection g is equal to number of favorable case, count 1 2 3, 3 favorable case 1 2 3 divided by total of trees n of x is 8, right? And p of f into p of g is equal to, what is p of f, 1 by 2, ಹೌದಾ, 1 by p of g, probability of g is 7 by 8, that equals 7 on the 7, 8 to the 16. Again also ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, p of e f intersection g 3 by 8 ಇದೆ, p of f into p of g 7 by 16 ಬಂತು. Therefore probability of f intersection g is not equal to probability of f into probability of g. Therefore f and g are, whether it is independent or independent, dependent. Independent ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ those two are not equal. ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಈ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್, ಯಾವುದು EF, EG and FG are dependent events. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes, problem number 4. Very simple question. A fair coin and an unbiased die are tossed. ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಇದೆ, ಡೈಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎರಡು ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಡೈಸ್ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. Let there are two events A and B. A stands for, A is the event, head appears on the coin. ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಹೆಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. And B is the event, 3 on the die. Die roll ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು, only 3. Resultant on the die should be 3. Then verify whether A and B are independent or dependent. Check it. Okay. Now fair coin and bias, that is dice are rolled. One coin toss, how many outcomes? 2 outcomes. Dice rolled, how many outcomes? 6 outcomes. Combination, combine those two. Simultaneously, coin and dice are rolled. Outcomes. What are the outcomes? Yes, see the sample space. Coin tossed, 2 outcomes. Head, tail. Okay. Dice rolled, 6 outcomes. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Combination H1, H2, right? H3, H4, H5, H6. Next, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 outcomes, head tail. Dice roll ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 outcomes, combined, combination ಇದೆ. Simultaneously, coin and dice are rolled. What are the random experiments? Head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6, or T1, tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6. Therefore, total number of outcomes is how much? 6. Totally 12. Correct? Among those, A is the event. A event ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Head appears on the coin. Head ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. Head appears on the coin ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? H1, H2, H3, H4. Correct? Then H5, H6. Only head appears on the coin. So total number of favorable cases is 6. Therefore, probability of A is equal to number of favorable cases 6. Outcome is 12. That is 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 1 by. Next, B stands for, B and put it on. B is the event 3 on the die. I roll ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ resultant on the die should be 3. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 3 ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? H3. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ 3 ಇರೋದು ನೋಡಿ? T3. only 2. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವುದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ. B is the event 3 on the die. 3 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Suppose 2 on the die ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ H2 T. 3 on the die, H3, T. Now, number of favorable cases here 2. Therefore, probability of D is equal to number of favorable cases 2. Total outcome is 2. 12. 2 ones are 2 6. Right? Now, A intersection B. Among those two events, what are common events? A intersection B. A set ಇದೆ, B set ಇದೆ. Among those two, what is common? H3. Only one. Only one. H3 was the common event. Therefore, number of favorable cases in A intersection B is 1. Therefore, probability of A intersection B is equal to number of favorable case. How much? 1 divided by total outcome. Definition of probability of an event 1 by 12. And this is left hand side. And probability of A into probability of B. Okay. What is probability of A? 1 by 2. What is probability of B? 1 by 6. Multiply 1 by 6 to the 12. ಎರಡು ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ equal ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. Therefore, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Hence, the two events A and B are what? Is it dependent or independent? Independent events. A and B are independent events. Clear ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, so next class again we will discuss about some more problems based on independent events. Okay, thank you students.